Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Tapo camera ownership to another Tapo account. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer Tapo camera ownership to another Tapo account, start by opening the Tapo app on your smartphone. Log in to your current Tapo account. From the home screen, locate the camera you wish to transfer. Tap on the camera to open its settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Device Settings. Select Device Sharing from the available options. You will see a list of currently shared users and the option to add a new user. Tap on Add User to proceed. Enter the email address of the new Tapo account that will receive ownership. Make sure to select the appropriate permission settings for the new user. After confirming the details, tap Send Invitation. The invited user will receive an email to join the camera. Instruct the new user to check their email and accept the invitation. Once they accept, they will appear in your shared users list. Now, go back to the camera settings menu. Find the option labeled Transfer Ownership. Tap on this option to begin the ownership transfer process. Confirm that you want to transfer ownership to the new user. The app will notify you that the transfer is successful. Once the process is complete, the new user will have full control of the camera. You will still retain access until the new user removes you from their account. Finally, ensure that the new user logs into their Tapo account to verify access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.